That's the front wing all sorted. I've done the top of the door shut down the front. I did, however, if you notice in the pictures, I didn't notice these were missing off the wing, so it's a genuine wing off something that hasn't got side trims, obviously. Yeah, it's sanded, guide coated, it's pretty tidy, so I'll go ahead and stick a coat of primer on this. Bit of advice with the panels as well, this front wing and this whole scuttle panel. If you're going to get new panels, get panel cuts or original panels, unless they're rotten, obviously. Both these wings are original and they're bolt-on, fit perfect. The scuttle panel did have a single wiper conversion on it, and obviously I want the normal 3 holes. You can buy them new, but it doesn't come with this hole, I believe, or that one. Yeah, that hole, I think, one of them, and it just tells you to drill it. So that was a panel cut from Brendan Moss at Dubstock, and as you can see, that's back on there with the wings lined up, and it's got a near perfect line, panel lines on it, which is what you won't really get with remold wings. Right, that's the driver's door. Just run the DE over it with a 120 grit. There's quite a few dents on the top section. A couple of low points. There. Big one there. Just below the handle. Not too many on the bottom. Isn't too bad. A few little, 2 little sort of rust spots there, or were rust spots. I have noticed on this car on certain panels that have been resprayed, as in non-factory. It's a lot harder to get it sanded down to what we're looking at now. This door has been resprayed because it takes a hell of a lot of sanding to get through the amount of lacquer that's been put on compared to what would have been from the factory. Like the back quarters, which I don't think have been resprayed since the factory, the lacquer on it, you can get straight through to the white primer from what it was, just with one disc, one sanding pad. That door's had about 6 sanding pads on it now. Just trying to get through the lacquer, it clogs up the sanding pad quite a lot. You could drop down to an 80 grit and work up back through, but I haven't got 80, I've just got 120, so I'm just going to rinse through the box using those. That's the door done, so I'll get some primer on those bits tomorrow, filler on those bits tomorrow, and then rub down the smaller edges by hand, and then get on with block sanding that.